Have you ever wondered how a machine generates ideas, designs, or even writes a poem? This is the intriguing world of generative AI, or artificial intelligence. It's a type of AI that's a bit like a human artist, a composer, or a novelist. It can generate new content from scratch completely on its own. Imagine a painter in front of a blank canvas. Generative AI is like that painter, but instead of a canvas, it has an empty digital space. And instead of paints, it uses data. With these tools, it can create images that can be as beautiful as a sunset or as intricate as a city skyline. Not just images, it can also compose text that can tell a story, write a poem, or even a news article, and it doesn't stop there. It can even compose music that can make you dance or make you cry. In essence, generative AI is a creative machine capable of producing new, never-before-seen content. Now you might be thinking, how does a machine pull off such a creative feat? Well, it's all about algorithms, machine learning, and yes, something called neural networks. Let's break it down. Generative AI is like a clever artist who first learns by observing and then creates their own masterpiece. But instead of brushes and colors, it uses algorithms. These algorithms are mathematical instructions that guide the AI in learning from existing data, whether it's images, text, or even music. Imagine the algorithm as a recipe. It tells the AI what ingredients to use in what order and how to mix them together. The more data or ingredients the AI has to learn from, the better and more varied its creations can be. But how does the AI learn from this data? This is where machine learning comes into play. Machine learning is a subset of AI that gives machines the ability to learn from past experiences, or more accurately, past data. It's like learning to ride a bike. The more you practice, the better you get. The AI practices by processing tons of data, learning patterns and nuances that it can then apply to create something new. Now what about neural networks? These are the secret sauce in our generative AI recipe. Neural networks are modeled after the human brain. They consist of interconnected layers of nodes, or neurons, each processing a part of the data and passing it on to the next layer. This structure allows the AI to learn complex patterns and relationships in the data. The AI uses these neural networks to understand, interpret, and ultimately generate new content that's similar, but not identical, to the data it learned from. It's like how a painter might study Van Gogh's style and then paint a new scene in a similar style, but with their own unique twist. So, to sum it up, generative AI combines algorithms, machine learning, and neural networks to learn from existing data and create new, unique content. It's a process of constant learning and creating, a cycle of innovation that never stops. In other words, generative AI learns from the past to create the future. So, what does this mean for us as a society? Well, the implications of generative AI are vast and varied. On one hand, we have the potential benefits. Imagine increased efficiency across numerous sectors, from healthcare to manufacturing. Generative AI could streamline processes, reducing human error and saving precious time. Then there's the exciting prospect of new creative possibilities. Artists, designers, musicians, even chefs could harness the power of AI to create original works, pushing the boundaries of human creativity. But like any powerful tool, generative AI comes with its own set of ethical considerations. There's a clear need for oversight to prevent misuse. For instance, deepfakes generated by AI can be used to spread misinformation, posing a serious threat to privacy and security. So while it's exciting to envision a world enhanced by generative AI, it's equally crucial to remember the importance of responsible usage. Thus, generative AI holds immense potential, but it also requires careful management. So what have we learned about generative AI today? We've peeled back the layers of this intriguing concept, beginning with its definition. Generative AI, as we discovered, is a subset of artificial intelligence that allows computers to create content, be it in the form of text, images, music, or even new ideas. We've also delved into the mechanics behind this technology. It's fascinating how these AI models learn from vast amounts of data, then apply this learning to generate new content, mirroring the creativity of the human mind in a purely digital realm. And of course, we've pondered the implications of generative AI. Its potential to revolutionize industries from entertainment to healthcare is truly astounding. Yet we also noted the need for caution, as with all powerful tools. Generative AI, a fascinating blend of technology and creativity, is shaping our future, one idea at a time. If you liked this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.